Some people in the courtroom were stunned at the images of the burnt remains, and there were mutterings about the gender of the victims seen in the photographs.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, nuclear, rebel, all of the boss them, truck boss, garage boss. Look at the screen in front of you. That's Mr. Blackman. Now, the prosecutor show the burn victim them in the court, and then when the prosecution asked for a break, right after I show the victim them, Blackman start laugh, and everybody in the court silent. I look at him. So you don't know how that look upon him in front of the judge. Like him don't care. Now, beyond that, the killing when them youth do, now like it gruesome, and you can hear from the lady say she not even see her daughter body because she don't really want to look on her daughter and I didn't get it. And I see him where me feel. You know, it kind of rough when you grow up your kid star, especially a girl pitney, and come to find out, look how she end up. You understand? It really sucks that the young lady have to end up like that because she is following a man, and the man is as loose as I don't even have a comparison, but it's really sad, man. So I'm gonna play the rest of this report so we can hear what happened in the courtroom. And remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. And remember, just watch this to the end, and another video will play with similar to this. And remember, you can subscribe by clicking the link down below. Check out the Instagram page, all of them pages. But yeah, it's really sad and disheartening to sit and go through these kind of cases all the time, and then I have to vlog about them, and it really touched me to the core, you know what I'm saying, because I know from a journalistic point of view you're not supposed to be attached to any story I do or whatever, but I am a little bit different. I kind of just speak how me feel, and yeah, it's very disheartening, and I can just feel it for the mother of the young lady and also the mother of the young man, you know, who probably follow bad company or a link with the wrong set of people, and that's what happened. So my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button, and watch the rest of this clip coming up.
The police witness says along with the burnt bodies, he saw spent cases among the rubble of the charred house. Some people in the courtroom were stunned at the images of the burnt remains, and there were mutterings about the gender of the victims seen in the photographs. Alleged leader of the OneDon faction of the gang, accused Andre Bryan, hung his head and hugged himself periodically while the images were being displayed on a screen at the front of the courtroom. It was after 11:30, and the prosecutor asked the presiding judge, Chief Justice Brian Sykes, if it was an appropriate time for a health break, which usually occurs at that time daily. Brian burst out in laughter, looked around the courtroom, which was silent, then hung his head low. Following the break, a civilian witness who identified herself as a relative of the male victim seen in the photographs took the stand. She explained that her son worked at a chemical facility in Crossroads, St. Andrew, and would usually spend the weekends with her starting Friday evenings when he left work. The prosecution asked the witness if she knew the woman whose charred remains were close to her son's at the crime scene. The witness explained that she did not know the woman, but was told by her son a couple months before he was killed that a girl loved him. The civilian witness says she'd asked her son about his child's mother, and she says he said she was doing fine. In the meantime, the mother of Miss Walder, who's said to be the female victim of that double murder and arson, took the stand. She says her daughter was a child she was close to. The civilian witness explained she last saw her daughter alive the morning before the incident at 10:30. She says she was not aware her relative was in a relationship with anyone. The witness, who was visibly emotional since she started to speak, broke down in tears when asked if she saw her daughter's body at the funeral. She explained that the casket was closed, but she says she didn't think she could bring herself to seeing her daughter's body.